In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an easy integration between DSers and Shopify in 2025. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply open your preferred browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you do so, make sure to go to this URL section, and here you go and type DSers and hit the enter button. And make sure to go and open a new tab. In the meantime, type shopify.com and hit the enter. So shopify.com and hit the enter button. So of course here, you will find yourself in the home screen or main screen of Shopify. In Desers, you'll have to click on the first link, basically desers.com. If you type .com, you will be taken the same home screen of Desers. So of course, if you have an account, you'll have to go and click on login to log in into your account. And if you don't, click on get started instead. As an example, if you click on login, you'll have to log in using your credentials, which is email and password. The same will be for creating an account. Of course, the same will be for Shopify. If you have an account, click on login or create an account if you don't have an account. So as an example here, I'm just going to click on login. I already have a Shopify account. And this should log me into my store because I've previously logged in into this device or into this browser. So they remember me, so I don't have to log in again. For Desert, on the other hand, as an example, we'll just go here and log in again as an example. So I'm just going here, or basically this is like creating an account. So let's just go and make sure to follow the things saying here. So an example, it needs to be in between 12 to 24 characters. So as an example, we'll just do so and do this. And as you can see, we can go here and click on get started to create an account. So as you can see, an email has been registered with this. So I'm just going to log in because I already have an account. And it's going to be simple as an example. So all I need to do is log in. And the meanwhile, as an example, okay, there is an issue. I'm just going to log in. I'm coming back first. So as you can see now, I logged in. Once you logged in into Desers, you'll have to, first of all, link your supplier. And as you can see, you can select the option below to connect your supplier. You can link, of course, AliExpress and link unauthorized to AliExpress. You have just to click on it. And they will take you basically to the API of AliExpress so you can log in into your account on AliExpress, of course, to give permissions, as you can see. So Desers is requesting permissions to these functions. So gets the username and basic information, Alibaba members basic information, and gets your login and user information. So you'll have, of course, again to log in into your AliExpress account. And if you don't have one, as an example, you'll just have to go and create an account in AliExpress. Of course, you'll just have to type aliexpress.com, hit the enter button, and you'll have basically to log in into an account. So once you're logged in into your account, or if you don't have an account, again, create a new one. Just come here and log in into that account very simply. As an example, this is my account right here. For the password, we'll have to do the same and click on sign in. And then you should be able to connect to that account or to your AliExpress account so you can make the link. An example here, now I linked my supplier. As you can see, authentication check. And now, as an example, what you'll need to do is start finding products. But I will just keep this step on waiting until we go and set up some stuff in Shopify. So in Shopify, you will need to go here to this left panel and go and click on Add Apps. Once you click on Add Apps, you'll find this. All you need to do, go below and click on Shopify App Store. Once you click on that, you'll open, or this will open a new page. And as you can see here, you'll have to go to Search Apps and simply just type Desers and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here. So as you can see, the best match is this, which is the one that we were looking for, Desers AliExpress Dropshipping. Click on it. And then as you can see, you'll have to install it. As you can see, the rating is 5 stars with a lot of downloads, more than 32,000. And of course, you can see the supported languages, and it works with AliExpress, Tmall, and Lux. And of course, categories is dropshipping. It has some pricing, but you can install it for free and use it for free if you want to bulk some orders, do some basic mapping, like manage 3 stores and 3K product, automated order status sync, and automated tracking number sync, and sync tracking number to PayPal. If you want more features than this, of course, you can get another or a better plan, like an advanced plan or pro plan. And as you can see the features that comes with here. And you can even get a 14 days free trial if you want to try it out before paying. It's up to you. Of course, other information, you can get them here. If you want, you can pause the video and read them out. For me, I'm just going to click on the install button. And as an example, once I click on the install button, they will open a new tab for me. And as you can see, this app needs access to your personal information, etc. All I need to do, just, of course, if you accept, click on install. and you'll have to wait a little bit until it gets installed. Once it's installed, of course, you'll be taken right here. So as you can see, are you sure you want to use the currently logged in account? Because you already, as we did before, we already logged in into our account. Yes, I want to this account. Okay, so I just changed like here the Dizers account so I can connect like new stores, because the old Dizers accounts, I already have three stores connected to it, so I cannot connect more. So as you can see, once you logged in normally the first time in your Dizers account and you haven't connected the store before, you'll find this page. So you'll have to click on Shopify to link your Shopify account. Of course, normally they'll take you to download the Dizers application right away, but for us, it's already downloaded or installed. I'll just have to click on open, as I showed you before on how to download it. And as you can see, they will take us back to the same page. Now I can click on confirm and I should not find an issue. Now, yeah, as you can see, it should be good to go. Of course, as you can see, you have multiple plans that we said before. We can just go and get started with the free plan without any problems. And as you can see, now I'll have to do the option before, which is link into my AliExpress, because this first step normally should be like logging in or connecting to your Shopify store, then or your whatever store, but for us in this video, Shopify store, then of course connect to AliExpress as well. So I'm just going here again to log in into my AliExpress. And once you logged in or once you linked now your AliExpress, you are ready to start like the real work. Of course, here they'll show you like a small 4 seconds video on how to quick access the package status, keep track of the progress on all order logistics, provide like some timely feedback to customers, and fast reactions with tracking. But of course, we don't care about that at the moment. And yeah, so now you can also, as an example, install the Deezer as Chrome extension if you want. It will help you with some stuff, but it's not very necessary if you want to. So now, of course, you'll need to go and find the products and import them, of course, to your Shopify store. If you can see in here, as an example, if I go to products, right now, I have 0 products in my Shopify. But now, we can go and add products, of course, in Deezers. So no need for this. So as you can see, go find products. And here, as an example, we'll have to look for products in AliExpress. So as an example, I'm just going to find some good products. As an example, maybe this one, I'm just going to click on it. Or yeah, like that. I don't know, maybe I like this products as well. And here I'm just going to click on add import list, language English, confirm. And yeah, as you can see, the products imported successfully. Please go to the import list as an example. So check as an example. As you can see, import list, where I'll be able, of course, to push to those to store. If you want to change something, you'll be able to change something. But for me, I'm just going to select them again and click on push to store. And as you can see, we will have to choose which store. Normally, the store that I just linked into it, it will be this by default. And you can simply just click on push to store. Again, as I said, you can change other stuff about it, like the shipping cost, products cost, price, a lot of things that you can change before even pushing to store. But if you don't want to, you can simply be good to go, as you can see. So if you find this check button, you can simply just go back to your Shopify store, just refresh the page of the stores, and as you can see, you'll find 2 products added from your Deezers. And that's how you make a simple connection. And of course, you can even make changes here. And that's basically how you make a simple connection between Deezers and Shopify. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.